Yeah, Chuco low and slow. Black on black, the candy paint is gleaming. Spoke wire wheels got all the haters dreaming. Rolling through downtown, just me and my thoughts. Old school love connecting all the dots. My homeboy slides up in his clean Elko, tan color Chevy, putting on a show. We're cruising the 9th and time, feeling the vibe, feeling that Lowrider vibe. Franklin silhouette against the fading sun. Hydros hitting slow, the night has just begun. Chuco Bluff, where the legends ride. Got that low glide, got that city pride. Rolling through the heart of El Paso town. Clean as chrome and paint for miles around. Yeah.